Good morning everyone. I am Anjali from Triple E department from Vishnu Institute of Technology. Now I am going to explain about DevOps concept and cloud computing that we learned in our college. So first let us understand what is cloud computing. Cloud computing means using servers, storage, databases and the software over the internet instead of using our personal computer or physical servers. For example, instead of buying a physical server and maintaining it, we can rent a server from AWS and pay only for what we use. And we also learned cloud architecture. Cloud architecture explains how different cloud components work together. It includes a front end, back end, network, and storage. And we also learned about cloud deployment models. So there are three main deployment models. There are public cloud and private cloud and shared resources and cost effective. So the cloud service models are three types: SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS. And we also learned elasticity. It means based on demand we can increase or decrease the server. And we also learned virtualization. Virtualization allows multiple virtual machines to run on one physical machine. It helps in better hardware usage and cost saving and isolation between systems. And we learned AWS EC2 server. EC2 is a virtual server in AWS. We use EC2 to host websites, run applications, and it is a scalable. And we also learned types of Linux: Ubuntu, Amazon Linux, and open source secure. Linux is preferred because it is a secure and lightweight. And we also learned types of Linux operating systems. There are Red Hat, Ubuntu, Parrot, CentOS, SUSE, and Kali Linux, Debian, Amazon Linux. For Amazon S3, it is an object storage service and it is used to store images, videos, backups and logs, and it is highly durable and scalable. And now IAM stands for Identity Access Management. IAM policy defines who can access and what actions are allowed. IAM Access Management is a web service that helps you securely control access to AWS resources. And the task that requires account settings, restore IAM user permissions, close your AWS account. And there are so many DevOps tools we learned in the DevOps class. We may the automatic using tools like GitHub, Maven, Jenkins, JFrog, Ansible, and Node Exporter, Jiva, Selenium, Datadog, and Terraform, and so many like this. And the Maven life cycle is life cycle management. Life cycle rules automatically move data between storage classes. Example, first 30 days S3 standard, next Glacier. After 1 year it can delete automatically. DevOps combines development and operations. And the main goals of DevOps operations is faster delivery, automation, and better collaboration. And the DevOps reduces manual works and errors. Now Apache Maven. Maven follows a project object model approach where all projects configurations, dependencies and plugins. It supports dependency version control, ensuring more consistency. It provides a project structure, making projects easy to understand and maintain. Maven integrates easily with CI or CD tools like Jenkins and IDEs such as Eclipse. Maven improves build automation and reducing human errors and saving development time. And Apache Tomcat is a lightweight and open source web server developed by the Apache Software Foundation. It implements Java Servlet and JSP. It supports HTTP and HTTPS protocols and be configured for secure communication using SSL. It provides logging and monitoring features to track application performance and errors. Tomcat can be integrated with Apache HTTP server or Nginx for load balancing and improved performance. And Jenkins. is a open source automation server, and it is used to implement continuous integration for CI or CD pipelines. CD means continuous deployment. It supports automated build, test, and deployment processes, improving software quality. It provides real-time build reports, logs, and a notification like email or other messaging tools. So the CI means this means continuously building and testing code whenever new changes are added. CD means continuous delivery. Code is ready to CD is continuous delivery. Code is ready to be released before needs human approval to go live. Continuous deployment. Code is automatically ready to users as soon as it's ready with no manual checks. A DevOps is a set of automated process that allows code changes to be built, tested, and deployed in a structured way. And there are also alternatives like Harness, Tarvis, and GitLab, GOCI, Circle CI. And there are so many pipelines used in this, like continuous deployment pipeline, build pipeline, test automation pipeline, deployment pipeline, and infrastructure as code pipeline, monitoring and feedback pipeline. So the GitHub is a cloud-based platform built on Git version control that plays a vital role in the DevOps lifecycle by enabling collaboration, automation, and continuous delivery of software. And how GitHub is used in DevOps concept means source code management. GitHub stores and manages application source code in repositories. It tracks every change using commits, branches, and tags, and enables multiple developers to work simultaneously without conflicts. And collaboration and teamwork. Developers collaborate using branches and pull requests. Issues and discussions helps in tracking bugs and feature requests. Integration with DevOps tools means GitHub integrates easily with the tools like Jenkins, Docker, Maven, and Ansible. Acts as the center source for triggering DevOps pipelines. Webhooks notify external tools for when code changes occurs. Version control and branching strategy. It supports branching models like Gitflow, enables easy rollback to previous versions if issue occur. It maintains stable and production ready code. And documentation and project management. README files provide project documentation, and it supports DevOps workflow. And by using GitHub in DevOps, advantages are faster development and deployment cycles, and it is improved collaboration between development and operation teams. It is high reliability and automation supports. In DevOps, GitHub acts as the foundation of CI or CD pipeline.